Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss the subject of anarchism and post-anarchism. With that, I'll turn the subject to my grandson Tristan. Go ahead, Tristan.
All right, thank you. So today we're going to be talking about another branch of anarchist ideology. Specifically, we're going to be talking about post-anarchism. Now, post-anarchism is very unique and very interesting to me because it's very distinct from all other anarchist ideologies in the sense that it doesn't really believe an anarchist society to be possible. Now, I know you might be asking yourself the question, okay, well, how is it an anarchist society? How is it an anarchist ideology if it doesn't believe anarchist society to be possible? And this kind of ties into the post aspect of it. So this post aspect of the term post-anarchism comes from post-leftism. And post-leftism is essentially a new kind of leftist movement that regards traditional leftist methods of organizing and revolution to be inadequate. So like, for example, it regards, a socialist revolution or, insurrection of any kind to be insufficient as a means of achieving leftist causes. So post-leftism essentially, seeks to invent new ways of revolution or overthrowing the government or, instituting leftist ideas or leftist causes. And this kind of goes with anarchism and post-anarchism because post-anarchism essentially views other anarchist means of revolution or insurrection as insufficient and inadequate to achieving anarchist causes. And instead, it seeks to find a new way of achieving anarchism. And this new way it finds is not to achieve an anarchist society through revolution or insurrection. Instead, it wants to have the person or, an individual treat themselves and treat others and essentially live as if they are living in an anarchist society, even though they aren't. So essentially, post-anarchism can be summed up as, live like you're in an anarchist society even though you're not. And this will endow the person with an anarchist consciousness, essentially. And this anarchist consciousness will start spreading to more and more people. And essentially, when a lot of people have this anarchist consciousness, this will allow, the system to no longer be viable, the system that's currently in place to no longer be viable. And instead, something else will arise from that, from the destruction of the system, from, as a result of, everyone having an anarchist consciousness. So that would essentially wrap up the subject of the video. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.